aí, Brasil.
Why do they treat me like I'm not a man? Well, I wonder, does anybody know just who I am? Or can I love the world exactly as it is? Or do I have to split? Is there anybody rooting for the kid? Oh, mother, is this not the way you taught me to behave? I won't just sit here and let them treat me like a slave. Or can I love the world, hate how it makes me feel? 'Cause I don't wanna kneel. Is there anyone who's got my back for real? Oh, la da da da. Da 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 da. La 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 la. Oh, mother, I do not think I live here anymore. I sometimes wonder, say, is it wrong if I do not want to live it all? Or can I love the world enough to give a spleen? Or am I giving in? Or do we burn the old one down and start again? And start again. Start again. Or start again.